Monday will be a decisive day for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who is behind the bars in the liquor scam case. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear the Aam Aadmi Party convener's plea against the Delhi High Court order on Monday. A two-judge bench will take up the Delhi Chief Minister's plea. Arvind Kejriwal had sought an urgent hearing from the Supreme Court on Wednesday, which was rejected. The Delhi Chief Minister has challenged the High Court's order that ruled his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate on March 21st as legal. And this, of course, is going to be a huge matter not only for Arvind Kejriwal, but also for the Aam Aadmi Party and the elections that are underway currently. And I'm being joined by my colleague Harish at this point. Harish, what are we expecting in the court and outside the court with respect to what may emerge for Arvind Kejriwal?
Yes, that's right, Sneha. In fact, April 15th is going to be a big day, very crucial day for Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, he has been in custody, in the judicial custody for almost 24 days after his dramatic arrest on March 21, following questioning by the ED. And finally, his petition, that is challenging the arrest and remand, will be heard by the Supreme Court, two-judge bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Deepankar Datta on Monday. Remember, on Wednesday, he had tried to secure an urgent hearing but had failed to do so, and it resulted in his 4 more days custody from last Wednesday. He has challenged the Delhi High Court refusal to give him relief. Remember, Delhi High Court had made very scathing observations questioning his claim that his arrest is nothing but politically motivated, timing with the general elections. Justice Swarnakant Sharma had questioned why he had not approached before the ED despite 9 summons in the last 6 months. Then it would not have been just before the elections. He himself is responsible for his arrest just before elections because he has not responded to 9 summons in the last 6 months. And the High Court very seriously, very critically said that there is prima facie evidence of his deep involvement in the criminal conspiracy in 2 ways. One, in fact, formulating the policy, receiving the kickbacks, and using the proceeds of crime for the Goa election. So, very, very serious charges, in fact, upheld by the Delhi High Court. But Kejriwal maintains, even in the petition before the Supreme Court, that it is time for, it is attempt to silence him just before the Lok Sabha elections. And the entire arrest is based on subsequent contradictory and belated statements by several accused who had turned approver later, and it should not be believed. But the High Court again countered this argument, saying that it is the court which decides who can be made an approver. This is nothing but casting aspersion on the judicial process. So we'll have to pan out how things pan out for play out for Kejriwal on Monday, whether he will get any relief or not. Remember, he will be his lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi will be at least praying for an interim relief till the Lok Sabha elections, that he should be allowed to participate in Lok Sabha election. And this finds mention in his petition. He clearly says that if he is not released on bail, this would set a wrong precedent that any ruler can silence opposition leaders by putting them in jail ahead of the election. So very, very crucial hearing going to happen on Monday.